Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make our floating on-screen shortcut for sound notifications less transparent in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to open accessibility, then vision enhancements, hearing enhancements, and here we have sound notifications, and here is our shortcut option. Now we need to enable shortcut first, then if you want to turn on floating button, here it is. So we need to tap this cogwheel, and here we have our transparency slider. We have a few steps that we can change, and here is the transparency option that we can change. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.